Your line is now unmuted.
Hi all, this is John from Experts Cafe. I hope we had enough of motivation for today. So, are you all able to listen, hear my voice? If you are not able to hear my voice, please send me a chat. Please confirm. Kathiravan from Chennai and Shobha Nand Kumar, could you please confirm, are you able to hear me properly? You can send me a chat. Yeah, thank you, Shobha. Kathiravan, are you able to hear my voice? Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks, both of you. Okay. So let me introduce myself. My name is John, and I'm responsible for coordinating SAP Basis demo session. Okay, and for Experts Cafe, and you can just make a note of our contact details, which is appearing on the screen. If you require, you can visit our website, that is expertscafe.com. And also, if you want to, if you need any details or any information anytime, you can always mail us at contact@expertscafe.com, and you can also reach us at 83745 13790. So you can contact us anytime if you have any queries or if you require any additional information. We'll be happy to provide you with that. And my email ID and this number is also available on my website, that is expertscafe.com. So please ensure that if you do not have anything to write down now, you can always visit this website and you can get these details from there. Okay, so we'll start from now. So to start with, let me explain what Experts Cafe is. Experts Cafe is into training business. Means we have been providing SAP training to the students since 2010. We provide training only for SAP. We do not have any other courses. We provide, other than SAP Basis, we provide training on SAP HR, SAP FICO, SAP SD, and SAP CRM, and SAP ABAP. Yeah. So these are other courses which we provide other than SAP Basis. Okay, and we conduct only online trainings so that it's easy for all the students to take training directly from their laptop. So they don't have to go anywhere. They can sit at their home, relax, and take the training. So instead of you going to the classroom and again wasting your time traveling and again you will be tired, so instead sit at home, take the training with a fresh mind. So that's the main intention why we provide online training to the students. Okay. So let me brief you about who our trainers are. Our trainers, actually, they work for us on a part-time basis. They are not full-time trainers. So let me tell you the reason for that. If suppose we have full-time trainers working only for us, then they can provide you training only related to SAP Basis, common or the normal configurations. That's it. They can only provide you training on normal configuration. They cannot provide you with anything else. But if we have trainers who are working full-time for a leading organization as a SAP Basis consultant, then they have an advantage. They will be able to provide you with all the real-time scenarios, real-time issues, or real-time requirements which are raised by the client. So you guys will have an advantage that you will get the real-time exposure, how real-time scenarios would be. So these trainers will be able to provide you with that. So if we have full-time trainers, they will lack this this skill because they have not experienced real-time scenarios. They have only been training students. That's it. But they are not they are not configuring anything for the clients. Because if you are working on live projects, that's what will give you real-time issues, real-time scenarios, and different kind of scenarios, which will help you learn. Okay. Yeah, Shehab, I believe you are able. Shehab, you are able to hear my voice. We have just started. Hope you are able to hear me. You can send me a chat. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Kartivan. So so this is our trainers. They'll be providing you the training. They have real-time project experiences, and they are currently working for the leading organizations. Yeah. So let me tell you something about what benefits our students will get. First of all, once students enroll with us, they will get a free SAP access for the initial 2 months. Okay. So if you go out in the market, there are certain SAP server providers who can give you this access, but they will charge you a minimum of $20, 20 US dollars per month. Okay, so instead of that, we are providing you that for the free of cost for the first 2 months. So you're getting free SAP access for close to $50, so you don't have to pay anything. Okay, and if you still require, after 2 months, if you still require this access for if you want to practice, so we will be able to provide you at a 50% discount, that is just at $10. Okay, if you go out in the market, it would be $20, minimum of $20 that would be charged, but if you come back to us after 2 months, we will be able to provide you that only for $10 a month. Okay, and the second benefit that our students will enjoy is all the training sessions that would be conducted daily would be recorded by us. Okay, so the main intention behind this is, if in case due to some reason you are not able to attend the session, okay, then you can always email us along with the date you have missed, and we will provide you the video recording of that session. Okay, but we will not be providing you with any files or something. We will be uploading these recordings on YouTube. Okay, so and access will be provided only for 1 day. So it's your responsibility to go through that session, okay, within 1 day itself, so you don't miss on anything, because the reason behind this is, in SAP all topics are interlinked. So if you miss on any one topic, then it would be hard and it would be very difficult for you to understand what is going on in the current topic. So you should know what was taught earlier, and that will help you in understanding the current topic that is being taught in this class. Okay, and also I would like to point out one thing. Earlier we had few issues, okay, where students were misusing these video recordings. So the problem was they were requesting for these videos every week. Okay, so they were not attending any session, but they were requesting for videos. So the misuse was there was a misuse of these videos. So just to avoid that, what we have decided is, for the initial 2 recordings that would be requested by the student, that would be free of cost. So we understand that at times it's not possible for you to attend any session. Okay, maybe due to some reason you are not able to attend the session. So in those cases we too understand, and we will be able to provide you those recordings. So first 2 recordings would be free of cost, but if you still require recordings after 2 recordings, means after you have requested for 2 recordings, then it would be chargeable. Okay, so we will be charging a minimum of $5 per video, $5 per video. Okay, so we are charging not for anything else, just to avoid students misusing it. We do not want our students to request for these videos. This facility is only for genuine cases where a student is unable to join. Okay, so what we recommend is, once you enroll with us, please ensure that you are attending each session, so that if you have any issues, if you want to clarify any issues or anything, is there any information that you require, you can get it clarified from your trainer right away. You don't have to wait for that. Okay, so this is one facility that our students will enjoy. The third facility that we give is, at the end of each topic, our trainers will give you one task. Okay, so it's your responsibility to ensure that you are able to complete that task. So these tasks are not for the fun sake. Okay, I'll tell you the reason behind this. Say for example, if you're going for any interview, okay, especially for SAP basis as a SAP basis consultant, if you want to attend any job interview, then in the interview they'll not ask you basic configuration questions. They will not ask you how to create a role or how to configure a security code or something. They will not ask you all these basic questions. They will give you a scenario. They will tell you, this is my requirement and this is my issue. Will you be able to configure this in the system? If yes, how will you be able to configure that? So you will be given some scenarios. So that will come only with practice. So our trainers who have already faced all these requirements, all these job interviews, all the requirements from the clients, so they will be sharing the similar scenarios with you guys. So you guys have an advantage once you go for a job interview, or once you go online, once you are working on live projects. So these scenarios or these tasks will help you understand the topic. Okay, so once you perform these tasks, so rest assured, means take assurance from us, you will understand everything and you will be able to crack any interview. So that is our request to all the students. Please ensure that all the tasks which is provided by the trainer, please ensure that you are completing then and there in the same day. Before this next session, you should be able to complete this. So don't keep a mindset that I will complete all tasks at the end of the week. So don't keep this practice session for weekends. It's a daily task. You will be able to, you will only gain expertise in as a basis consultant if you are doing it daily. So daily practice is mandatory. Okay, so this is one benefit that our students enjoy. And the last one is, once you complete your training and you are confident that you will be able to crack any interview and you are confident you will be able to take any live project, you will be able to handle all live projects, then you require something. Okay, you require recruiters. Okay, so once you are done with your training, we will provide you a list of SAP recruiters from around the world. Okay, so it's not like these recruiters are only from US or India or UK. Name a location, let it be Egypt, let it be Australia, let it be US, UK, all locations. SAP recruiters from all the locations will be there in our list. We have around more than 2000 SAP recruiters in our list. So we will be sharing that recruiters list with you guys. Okay, so once you're done with your training, once you're confident that you can crack any interview, then you can contact these SAP recruiters and they will help you find your first job as a basis consultant. Okay, so before that, only request from our side is, before you contact these recruiters, please ensure that you practice a lot. You should, means you do a daily practice, get a good firm on the a good grip on the subject. Only then contact these recruiters, because it will not be of any use if you don't know the subject and you're attending this job interviews. So you're wasting your time and your recruiter's time. Okay, so gain your knowledge, gain expertise, then contact these recruiters and they will help you find a first job. And also, other than this, we have one more option, where if suppose if you still not confident that you will not be able, you will not be able to crack an interview, and before going for an interview, if you require any live projects to be handled, yeah, we do provide that. We have tie-ups with few IT companies here, but they are small scale companies. I'm not saying they are the major organizations. They are small scale companies, but they will be able to provide you with live projects so that you can practice in the live scenario. You can practice those live issues or live requirements which are raised by the client. Okay, so currently we are not charging anything for live projects, because we want you to practice everything first. Okay, get a good grip on the subject, and once you are confident that you are ready to handle live projects, please come back to us and we will route you to these IT companies. Okay, and they will guide you how to proceed with these live projects. Okay, So these are the benefits that our students will enjoy. First, you will be given free SAP access as soon as you enroll with us. For the initial 2 months, it would be free of cost. Video recordings of all the sessions, so that if in case you are missing on any topic, so you can always go back to this video and you can cope up with the training. And the tasks would be provided at the end of each topic. And SAP recruiters list, which will help you provide your first job, and the live projects if you require any live experience before you attend any session. Okay, so these are certain benefits that our students will enjoy. Okay, please ignore that course date, that is incorrect. We are planning to start our course, that is SAP course, from 27th of November, that is coming Thursday. So from coming Thursday we are starting our SAP Basis online course. Okay, and the daily session would be for 1 to 1.5 hours. Okay, and sessions would be from Monday to Saturday. So the only reason we are keeping our daily session only to 1 to 1.5 hours, the reason being, unlike other training institutes who provide training for 3 to 4 hours a day, the problem would be they try to bombard you with too many topics on a single day. Okay, and it would be very difficult for a fresher to practice all the topics in a single day. Okay, so we don't want to finish our SAP course. The only thing that we require is you to understand each topic. Okay, so that's the reason we are keeping daily sessions to only 1 to 1.5 hours daily. Okay, so that you don't have many topics on a single day and you have ample time to practice each topic. Okay, and the course duration would be 1.5 to 2 months. The max to max 2 months we are expecting the course to be completed. Okay, and also I would like to let you know the course timings. Course timings would be from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock Indian Standard Times. Okay, so let me repeat it again: 7 to 8 o'clock in the evening Indian Standard Times, 7 to 8 p.m. Indian Standard Times. So this would be your daily online class session timings. Okay, so I have a trainer with us, Guman Sen, and he will take you through the course content and what his plans are with this SAP Basis online course. Yeah, just one. Shobha, yeah, I believe Shobha is having some issues. Guman Singh, you're there? You're able to, I'm uploading your content. You can just take them through your content. Yeah, Guman Singh, you there? Yeah, Guman Singh, you can start. I believe you guys are able to see the SAP course content. Yeah, Guman Singh, please check your audio settings again. I believe your mic is not connected. Yeah, Shehab, I know, just let me maximize it. I will provide you, Shehab, okay, maybe you're not able to view it. I will provide you that SAP course content to your email ID. Yeah, thank you, Shehab. Yeah, Gumansin, we are able to
Can you
hear you.
hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. Please start.
Okay. Okay. Hi guys, myself Guman Singh Gadwi, and I'm a SAP Basis consultant working with a
Your line is
French-based
now muted.
multinational organization as a SAP Basis consultant. PepsiCo, the Caterpillar, the Friskus, the clients around from Europe and US and UK. Okay, so I can guide you through the entire SAP Basis online training. Okay, so I'll first start with the concept of ERP for your reference. What ERP is, like ERP is an concept, enterprise resource planning. What happens is in any organization, whether it's huge or small organization, they must have more than one department, like the HR department, the sales and distribution department, the material management department, and the finance department. Okay, so they must need a software which can integrate all of this department in a manner way so they can make more profit. So ERP provides this kind of functionality to integrate all of the departments in a manner way from all of their offices with a single database. Okay, so this is the concept of ERP. Next one is SAP is, is itself an ERP software. Okay, system application products. Okay, it helps any organization to integrate all of their department in a manner way so they can avoid any difficulty in their business and can make more profit. So next we will have the rough idea of the SAP architecture. SAP is having three-tier architecture. One is the presentation layer, second one is the application layer, and the third one is the database layer. What happens in presentation layer is as you initiate any request from your system on which you sit, that request will go to the application layer. Application layer will handle this request and send it to the database layer, and into the database layer it will search for the requested content and will get it back to the application layer again, and then application layer will send it back to the presentation layer, means in front of you with your requested results. Okay, so this is the rough idea of SAP architecture. Okay, now we'll proceed with the course content. We will have the 45 days course program. In this program, every day we will cover one topic that I have that the screen is showing right now. Like the on the day one, we'll cover with the general information and introduction of SAP system and the SAP basis module. On the next day, we will go with the architecture, and the day third, we'll go with the SAP GUI, which everybody can install on the front end side of the system. So on the day four, we will have the maintenance activities according to every operating system, how SAP is performing their roles in every operating system. Okay. So these are the topics what we are going to cover every day in our session. So at the end of every session, every day, we are having one point. We will have some time to solve the doubts of the students. So we can go through their doubts and we can solve it out as soon as possible so they can make better practice at their home without any resistance. Okay. So SAP is having landscape concept, the profile concept, the license management, security concept, and the database management concept. So we will have all of the detailed description of the concepts, and after that you guys will be able to work to any live project. We will have a deep discussion on the project life cycles, with the implementation project or it's a support project or rollout project, and I will tell you what will be the role of SAP Basis guy into these projects, how clients will select a SAP Basis person in manufacturing industry or in IT industry. So you can better judge yourself after the course, and you will be able to crack any interview after finishing the course. So these are all the topics like the setting up the printers, configuring the transport management system, configuring the system landscape, and the RFCs and system maintenance. And we will have a deep look on the database administration side, specifically for Oracle database with the help of VR tools. Okay. One day in the session, I will teach you the troubleshooting techniques. SAP Basis Guy's main role is the troubleshooting. And how will you troubleshoot any issue into your live project? Okay. That makes you on the topmost position your troubleshooting technique is. Next. Yeah. One day we will have some introduction about the enterprise portal and the solution manager. So you guys can have some idea about the enterprise portal and the solution manager. So you can handle some things in your live project in your organization if they will assign you some solution manager or enterprise portal jobs, then you guys will be able to handle that situation with the knowledge of SAP basis you guys will get from. Okay. On the last day, I will give you some interview tips like how to create a technical interview, how to give the answers, how to have the troubleshooting knowledge for any scenario. Okay. So after this session of SAP Basis Online training, you guys will be able to crack the interview or and you will be able to work on any live project. So that's all about the SAP Basis online course, and that's all from me.
Your line
If
is
you
now
guys have any
unmuted.
questions, you can ask me.
Yeah, thanks, Gumansen. Yeah, Kathiravan, Shehab, or Shohba, if any of you have any questions, you can ask right away, or you can also send me a chat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, who is this?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Shihab with you.
Yeah, Shehab. Tell me.
I want to ask you about the voice. Every time we get it, your voice is very good, but the voice of instructor Tumesh is not good. It's very low. It's continue like this after that.
Shehab, can you please type your question? Actually, we are not able to get your question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your voice is good. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
But the voice of instructor is not good. It's very low.
Okay, okay. Not an issue, Shehab. That only that audio settings options are there. We just need to correct that. If you are having any issues listening to our voice, you can always send a chat, and we will be able to correct that. That should not be an issue.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Kathi, Ravan, and Shobha, do you have any questions? You can also send me a chat if you have any questions or something, so that we can get it clarified right away.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, she have sir.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
The training day is 6 days in a week. Monday, from Monday to Saturday.
Actually, we'll be meeting at the same time. I believe your time would be 3:30 p.m. daily.
3 p.m.
3:30 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yeah. Yeah. Your I
It's
mean,
good.
yeah, your time
It's
3:30 p.m. Yeah, in the afternoon.
3 p.m. Okay.
Yeah. So what I will be doing is after this session, if you guys have any other questions or any other information that you require, you can see my details on the screen. So you can you can always contact us on this email ID and also the phone number which I have provided. So you can always contact me on this number and on this email ID, and we will be able to clarify all the questions or any queries that you have. And after this meeting, I will be sending you an email with the SAP basis course content, and you guys have to confirm me if you are interested to join the session. Our session is starting on 27th of November, that is next Thursday. Okay, and fees has to be paid max by Tuesday. That is 20. I believe that is 25th. Yeah, by 25th of November you have to pay your fee. Okay, that's the last day to pay the fee. So I'll be sending an email, and you guys have to confirm whether you are interested in attending the training, and if you require any other details, we will be happy to provide you with all the details you require. Okay, and okay. So last question: do any of you have any questions? You can still ask. Okay. So thanks all. Thanks for joining. And I will be soon sending you an email after this session. And you guys please confirm so that I can provide you the further details. Thanks all. Thank you all for joining. Thanks for your valuable time.
அப்படியே ஃப்ளோர்ல யூஸ் பண்ண விட்டுருங்க, மட்டும் டிமேட் பண்ணி விட்டுருங்களா க்ளோஸ் பண்ண சொல்லி. என்னங்க